After I made bread like this, I don't want to know another way. It comes with butter from the oven. So for this recipe, we will need 60 milliliters of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of biological yeast, and mix everything until it's dissolved. After that, let's add 4 eggs. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching us from. Then guys, add 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter, half a cup of sugar, and let's mix everything again. Now it's time to add the flour. Here I'm using 2.5 cups. And mix everything with this spatula. You don't need to knead it. You just have to let it grow for 1 hour. 1 hour has passed and look how beautiful is our dough. Let's take it and put it in the counter and cut the dough in 8 parts. If you prefer the written recipe, comment down here I want that I'll send you guys. After cutting all the 8 pieces, let's shape them this way. It's very simple, guys. After that, guys, let's take all the pieces and put in a bowl, okay? You can put this way as you can see. And then let's let it rest for 20 minutes. And then before taking it to the oven, let's put butter cubes on it this way. The butter is very simple, guys. You just have to cut it in shapes you prefer. After putting all the cubes, let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Around here, my bread is already done and look at this wonder. And to let it even more delicious, I'm going to brush condensed milk on it. The melted butter into these breads with the condensed milk is unreal. Make it there that I guarantee you that you and all of your family are gonna love it. Seriously guys, it's my favorite bread. It already comes with butter and you know there's nothing better than a hot bread with butter, right? And the condensed milk is optional, okay guys? With the butter only, it's delicious already. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to rate me down here in the comment section. Your opinion is very important for us. And my special hug today goes to Guzhan from Pakistan, who made our last recipe at home, and the kids loved it. So thank you so much. We really appreciate this feedback, okay? And goodbye everyone. See you on the next video.